how to use our AAC curriculum books. Please understand that these are more than just storybooks. They are language learning tools. First of all, you need to check that the learner has got the active words available to them. So the active AAC words are my, mom, no, yes, sad, and happy. So we are going to make sure that our learner has got all these words available to them. Yes, no, sad, and happy. So this learner has got all the words available to them, and then we are ready to go. Our interface looks like this, but your interface may look completely different, and that's okay. Just make sure that your learner has got the words available that they need. When you start, you read the story to the learner. As soon as you get to some of these blue underlined words, those are the active words that the learner needs to then fill in. So you would read the words in black and then allow the learner to read these two words in blue. Most of the words will repeat on every page so that the learner gets ample opportunity to learn all the words. When you read, pause when it is time for the active words to be read, and then you can teach the learner how to do their part. You can start by modeling on their AAC board and actually doing it for them. You can do hand over hand. There are numerous methods by which we can prompt the learner. As the learner gains confidence, we can prompt from underneath, from behind. We can tap the learner's elbow, and later on we might just make a symbol or a sign for them to do their active words. Remember that it's important for you to model on the actual AAC device for the learner to learn how to use it, not to just model verbally and expect the learner to use the device on their own. They need to see what they must be doing. Remember to have fun and to celebrate each and every attempt. One sunny morning, a little kitten woke up alone. His mom was nowhere to be seen. Worried, he set off to find her. As he wandered through the tall grass, he saw a playful monkey swinging from a tree. The kitten asked, "Are you?" Yes, well done. Are you my mom? Oh. Oh. Yeah. No. Good job. Oh no. Little one, I don't look like you. I'm not your Mom. Very good. The monkey giggled. The kitten felt very sad. Yes. And he continued on his way. Now we have another story of the little crab. The little crab sees a dolphin splashing in the sea. The little crab called out. Yeah? Says, "Stop! Good job. Stop, dolphin." Stop. Good. I need some help. I am all alone and I want a friend. Do you want to play with me? The dolphin smiled and said, "Oh." No, little crab, I'm too busy. I must do more swimming.